Want to turn your wildest ideas into stunning AI images and cinematic videos in just seconds? Today, we are diving into Dezgo, a powerful online AI generator that lets you create high-quality visuals right from your browser. Dezgo is incredibly straightforward to use. When you visit the site, you're greeted with a massive lineup of different AI models tailored for different tasks. If you want to create images, you can use popular tools like Flux, SD1, or XL Lightning for free. They also offer advanced options like Flux 2 Pro and Grok Imagine. To get started, you simply select your model, type in your text prompt describing what you want to see, and let the AI do the work. You can also use their free image-to-image tools to edit existing photos, remove backgrounds, upscale your resolution, or use in-painting to change specific parts of an image using text. But where Dezgo really stands out is its video generation. They feature cutting-edge video models like Wan 2.7 and Alibaba's Happy Horse. With Happy Horse, you can turn a simple text prompt or a still image into a short, high-quality scene lasting anywhere from 3 to 15 seconds. It supports cinematic motion, native synchronized audio, and even multilingual lip sync, making it incredibly easy to create realistic or stylized video clips in 720p or 1080p. They also host other heavy-hitting video models like Kling 2.6, Sora 2, and Veo 3.1. Now, when it comes to user reviews, we don't have a large pool of official user feedback to pull from just yet. However, the sheer variety of free tools, like free upscaling, background removal, and standard text-to-image models, makes it very easy to test out the platform yourself without any commitment. On the downside, some of the highly advanced video and image models may require premium access, and the interface lists several exciting features, like text-to-speech and voice cloning, as upcoming, meaning they aren't quite ready to use yet. Overall, Dezgo is a fantastic, versatile playground for anyone looking to experiment with the latest AI models in one place. Head over to dezgo.com to try it out for yourself. If you found this quick tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe for more AI updates, and let us know in the comments which model you're most excited to try. See you next time!